How to play chess on Duolingo app. In this video, I'll show you how to play chess on Duolingo app. So to get started, go ahead and open Duolingo on your device, and then at the top left of your screen, you'll be able to find the course that you're currently enrolled in. Click on it, and then in here, go ahead and select course, and then select chess from here, and then click on continue to continue with getting started with learning chess on Duolingo. Now, once you click on a specific task in here, you'll be able to start playing chess on Duolingo. So as you can see, you'll be able to find this tutorial first before you proceed with the quiz section. Duolingo launched its chess course in June 2025, designed to teach the game from scratch using its signature gamified method. You learn by solving puzzles, playing mini matches, and getting coached by Oscar, your animated chess tutor. And that is how you can basically play chess on Duolingo app.